Welcome you guys, welcome back to another reaction video to Diana and ANKUDINOVA, and today we are checking out I'll Be Your Angel. Diana has been blowing it out the park with this avatar. I feel like me and this avatar, we are friends at this point. Like where's Diana? Where's Diana? She's hidden her voice so well, but her talent isn't hidden. I'm enjoying this, and I really have to check out the grand reveal for the finale, I believe. Have no fear guys, we get into them all, okay? But let's check out this one. Make sure you're liking the video for more of these amazing avatar performances from Diana and ANKUDINOVA. Let's go. Wow.
Тебе подарить небо в алмазах.
Я стану твоим ангелом, моя песня.
Тебя удивить всем на свете и сразу. Я мечтаю тебя отвезти на восход на янтарный.
Голос Максим.
Стихнет ветер коварный. Я хотела для тебя стать всем. Или лучше мне тебя не знать совсем. Я стану твоим ангелом. Я буду прилетать к тебе. Я стану твоим ангелом. И в счастье я стану твоим ангелом, что крыльями обед укрыть. Я стану твоим ангелом, чтоб просто рядом быть. И для тебя я стану всем.
Hold up. So the judges, they have, I don't know, they have avatars as well. The judges are not here with us on this one. Okay. But let me just say that since I've been reacting to these performances, this is the first song that I can say, yes, that is Diana. And I don't know if it's because of the type of song or the way the song is composed, but I'm hearing my girl Diana in this one. Like the others, I'm like, is this Diana? I mean, it sounds good, but it's like, wow, she changed up her voice so severe. But this one, I think this song is more Diana's type of song, you know? So her raw self comes out. I don't know. Tell me how you guys feel based on all the performances. Can you figure out that this one is more Diana?
Асия, не может быть?
Может быть.
Yeah.
Академический, это Аида. Whoa, Diana. Wow, that was an exceptional performance, and that one was I'll Be Your Angel. Hear what, Diana is doing an amazing job, but I think that this song was definitely more in her element like Takirari, and this one. Ooh, these are my 2 top favorites right now. And more so, Takirari is my favorite because of the notes. But you see, this one, I think she was in her elements. This is the kind of song that Diana is accustomed singing, you know, and blowing out the park. I mean, the vocals in this was amazing. I mean, I heard Diana. I was like, yeah. This is definitely Diana. It was so well done. I love the different levels when she went up in the high notes to the end there was like levels to it. Like she really went up with that, and I really love the composition of this song. I don't know if this was a cover song or something, I don't know, but it sounds like it was written for Diana, by Diana. She nailed that. She seemed right at home with this song. I love this one. This one was amazing. Guys, let me know how you feel. Should we have more of these performances on the island? Bye.